In this video, I'll show you how to resize an image proportionally without cropping in Figma. Start by opening Figma and selecting the file that contains the image you want to resize. Once you're on the canvas, click on the image to select it. To resize the image proportionally, look for the corner handles around the image. Click and drag any corner while holding the Shift key on your keyboard. This will keep the image's proportions locked so it doesn't stretch or distort. If you prefer using the right-hand panel, you can adjust the width or height values there. Just make sure the lock icon between width and height is enabled so both dimensions scale evenly. As you resize, the image will maintain its original aspect ratio without any distortion or cropping. Once you're satisfied with the size, simply release the mouse or press Enter to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully resized your image proportionally without cropping in Figma. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.